Good afternoon, students. Today, 11th accountancy. Last week, you wrote what exam? Quarterly exam. Quarterly exam, some boys' paper handwriting is very, very poor handwriting only. Listen, students, this period you improve your handwriting as students. You write two or three times, you write some paragraph question or two more question, you write improve your handwriting students one or two times you again and again you write means you easy improve your handwriting. Some student handwriting is very very bad handwriting only. Listen students. Next one, some students is you write accountancy means sums you write only, you write accountancy sheet only, do not write in A4 sheet or unruled paper. But some students you write only A4 sheet. Next one, listen students, you clearly sums amount is you clearly digit order is very very important. Some students want zigzag method. Once some students first amount is right side, second one is left side, for next one right side, next one is left side. This is wrong method only. Many times I informed you write neatly. Handwriting is accountancy's presentation is very very important only. You write neatly. You again and again you write one or two or three times you every day you write some paragraph question you write means automatically your handwriting is right very very neat only. Okay students, today sixth lesson, lost some subsidiary book. Last class we have studied what topic? Same subsidiary book. Today last one sum I explain. Listen students, some absent students clearly watch this video. It's very very important sum. This chapter today over. Today topic is what? Subsidiary book 1. The subsidiary book is how many types? 4 types. 4 types means purchase book, sales book, purchase return. Purchase return means, listen students, purchase return or return outwards. Purchase return or return outwards. Sales return or return inwards. Okay, 4 types of book: purchase book, sales book, purchase return, sales return. Purchase book means you enter only in credit purchase only you recorded. Purchase return means return to the suppliers. You recorded in separate subsidiary book. Sales book. Sales book you only enter in credit sale only. Sales book. Next one, sales return. Sales return means goods returned by consumers. Returned by consumers. Sales return so what method? Return inwards method. Okay. Listen students, subsidiary book you write only credit. Only you credit book, credit cash, do not touch. You enter only credit purchase, credit sale only you enter. Do not touch the cash. Next one, cash do not touch. Typewriting and computer do not touch. Okay, listen students, this is some very very easy only. You write only single side paper only, do not write double side. Listen students, accountancy note you write properly. Next, do not tear the paper. You write this method of sum you use only in single side paper only. Today, one time I read question. From the following information, prepare the necessary subsidiary book for books for Nalanda Bookstore. First one, December 1, brought from Uma Devi on credit. Listen, students, you write this first day, December 1, you read question 1 or 2 times. First one is what? Credit purchase or cash purchase? Brought means purchase. Credit, you write December 1. Okay, next one. Sold to Sridevi on credit. December 7. December 7 is sold means what? Sold means sales. Tick. Okay, good. Second one is credit. Third one, brought from Subha and Co. Subha and Co. Brought from Subha and Co means, listen students, this method of question, do not enter cash. You enter cash means do not touch, but you not credit or cash do not enter means that entry is credit purchase only. This entry, credit purchase only. Fourth one, return to Ms. Uma Devi 10 copies of damaged accountancy note from which his cash is not received. Cash is not received. Received means that is return. Purchase, return book. Correct. Tick students. This is you enter. Next one, sale sold to Gupta Brothers on credit. You enter. Sold means you enter only use sales book. Listen students, brought means purchase book. Sold means sales book. Purchase return means you separate in purchase return book. Sales return means you separately you enter sales return. Do not write sales book or sales return. You same content means you do not enter, is separate only. Sales book is separate. Sales return is separate. Next one, returned 6 copies of economics book to Subha and Co. Returned 6 copies. This is you enter. Listen students. Okay, listen students. This sum number of question is 6 questions. 6 questions you enter. 6 questions is credit purchase. Credit only. No one cash. Okay, this book is you write 4 books. Purchase book, purchase return. Sales book, you sales return. Listen students, already last month before quarterly exam I explained this sum. Again one time I explained this sum. Today this chapter over. Next class I explain next new chapter. Listen students, this lesson is you prepare October monthly portion. You prepare every day 1 or 2 sums. You practice this lesson. This portion is October monthly test portion. Okay, listen students. Purchase book, you write purchase means date number 1 and date number 10. Listen students, date number 10 is 15% less trade discount. Listen students, trade discount means you less only. Some trade extra or additional amount only you write add, but discount you write only in last final total is how many percentage is created mean 10% or 15% means you calculate final total 15% by 100. Okay, purchase book, date number 1, date number 10 only, purchase book. Next one, listen student, purchase book. Next one you write purchase return only. Some students you write purchase book, sales book, purchase return, sales return. That is wrong only. You write only, first you write purchase means second is purchase return only you write. Okay. Next, purchase return. Purchase return, date number 15. Purchase return. Uma Devi 10 copies damage accountancy books for which cash is not received. Return. Okay, already Uma Devi is what? Purchase book. Next one is purchase return. Next one, date number 26, return 6 economics books to Subha and Co. This date number 15 and date number 26 is what? Purchase return. This is 15% of discount. Total amount and you write 15%. Listen students, you next one, purchase return, sales return, you add additional one column, you write remarks. You write only damages. You write damage. Compulsory you write remarks. Only you write in purchase return, only you write. Okay, next one, sales book. Sales book, date number 7 is sale. Next one, date number 18 is sales. You write sales book, only you write. Listen students, you write only in single page, date, particular, invoice number is you write, you divide in particulars column one small column. That column is invoice number. Next one, LF, ledger folio. Next one, debit and credit column, you write details, total. You write details and total. Next one, small column is remarks. Remarks, you write return, purchase return or sales return, only you enter the remarks. Do not write in sales book or purchase book, do not write remarks, no need. Okay, next, sales book means you how many copies of books, calculate, you write details. Only you one entry means you write directly total column, but 2-3 commodities means you write detail column, you write afterwards total, only you write outer column. Outer column means total column. The total number of the date number 7, date number 18. This is sales book. The sales book is you write final total, only you calculate in percentage of discount. Percentage of discount. Listen students, this chapter is very important chapter. Only you compulsory board exam. This chapter 1 5-mark question is compulsory. Listen students, do not waste your time. This lesson very important, and theory part is very important. You clearly you read theory question first. You each and every accountancy lesson you first you thorough theory question. Theory question you thorough means automatically sums is very easy only. Listen students, this year you write only one accountancy note. First you write. Listen, do not waste your paper and tear it, some overwriting. Do not avoid this mistakes. You write clearly and improve your handwriting. Handwriting is very boys handwriting is very bad handwriting. Listen students, that students improve your handwriting. Some students is A, B, gap, one letter is small gap. Listen students, 11th standard students, you write Cursive handwriting is very, very important. You write only cursive handwriting. Presentation and cursive handwriting is very, very good means I put full mark. Some students very bad handwriting, that students listen, improve your handwriting. Okay students, this chapter is this monthly portion. Every day listen students, this lesson you write your classwork. Only 7 sums only. Already 7th sum I explained. Okay, any doubt means please online class you ask. Okay, listen students, that is basic only. 11th standard you clearly you understood means 12th standard very, very easy only. Okay students, you write this lesson, you clearly you write your classwork. Okay, thank you students. Next class we will discuss next one, new lesson. Listen students, every day you clearly watch in recorder class. Okay, thank you students.